guys, so welcome to the warm-up stretch for our fan routines. Now please remember, unless you're used to working with these quite regularly, they can take their toll on their hands, but they are a brilliant arm workout as well. So obviously it depends how big yours are, how heavy they are, but what I'm going to do is just take you through a little hand exercise and stretch, and obviously add in some of the upper body as well. And do this before you get started with any of our routines, but also if you take a break or if you are starting to ache anywhere, please make sure you come back and have another stretch and another play, all right? We don't want you to sort of give yourself any injuries or give you any hand strains. So let's get started. We're just going to take a nice deep breath in. We're going to hold our hands above our head nice and lightly, and we're just going to pull up through the body, lifting up through the chin, lengthening through the centre of the core and the spine, and we're just going to be long in that body. Good stuff. Lots of deep breathing. Breathe out, and then breathe in, and I want you to take yourself over to the side. Now, we're not trying to fold ourselves in half here, so if you need to enhance your stretch so you can feel it a little bit more, okay, take this side of the body, place it on the forearm and just lengthen through the arm so that you're creating a lengthening stretch. You're not creasing and crushing yourself on the side here, okay? Lengthen through the body. And we're going to reset back to the centre. Deep breath in, and then as you breathe out, take yourself off to the other side, and again, get yourself in position. If you need to lengthen that stretch, take this arm, place it on the forearm, and just lift up higher through that body. Don't ever grab your joints when you are stretching, guys, okay? You can do yourself more harm than good, so please don't ever grab your joints. Always grab the muscle area, or where the bones are, the main body part, okay? And back to the centre, and release. Roll your shoulders, 1, 2, 3, last one, 4, and then we're going the other way, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now what I want you to do is take those hands, I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me better. I want you to take those hands and I want you to round off those shoulders, okay? And I want you to stretch all through the back of the shoulders and open up your trapezius at the centre of the back here, okay? And I want you to round off. Nice and soft with your head, don't put any strain on your head. And I want you to lift through the head, release the arms and reverse it, okay? So I now either want you to place your hands on your lower back and lift up through the chest, or you can clasp your hands behind your back, okay? And you can lift up through your chest that way. It's really important you stretch your back and your chest and your shoulders as well because of the type of moves that we do when we're using the fans, okay? We're constantly swinging them, constantly putting ourselves in awkward positions and places, yeah? So nice big chest stretch, nice big back stretch. Look after those shoulders and look after those wrists. Okay, give it a shake. Good stuff, good stuff. Okay, let's move on to the hands, all right? So what I want you to do is first of all just do cheesy flashing light move, open and close at the fingers, yeah, nice long fingers. Well done, well done. Okay, from there, I just want you to take your hands, clasp them together, and I want you to roll the wrists up and down, yeah, and then hold them together and do them in a circle motion both ways. So circle them one way, circle them the other. Circle them one way, circle them the other. Good stuff. And then take those wrists, press them away, okay? take one hand and just press the fingertips very gently back, but make sure you're putting your whole hand across your fingers. Please don't pull on an individual finger, all right? Take the whole hand across the hand and then literally push through the wrist and the arm. And then swap over if you're doing single and repeat the same. Lovely. And then give them a good shake. All right. So there you go, guys. That's a little stretch and sort of warm up for the joints of the upper body, the hands, okay, to give you some self-care, to prepare you for the session with the fans. But please remember, anytime you're starting to feel any aches or pains, have a little break, have another go at that stretch. And don't forget about those legs if you're feeling it anywhere in those legs, and the lower body as well.